Hi, I'm Gary Netskin. I'm an attorney with Credit Repair Lawyers of America. One of the first questions our clients ask soon after they hire us, and maybe it's something they should ask before they hire us, but it doesn't matter, is how does your program work? And I gotta tell you, it's very simple. The first thing we do is we'll look at your credit report and we'll identify errors and mistakes on it. And we'll do that with you. We'll get your input to make sure that in fact there are errors and mistakes. Once we identify the errors and mistakes, we gather the proof necessary to show the credit bureaus that in fact they're reporting incorrect information on you. We send a letter to the bureaus, we attach our proof documents, and then we've got to give them 30 days to fix the credit reports. If they give us the right answer, your credit report's been fixed, it hasn't cost you a dime. That's free credit repair. If the credit bureaus don't give us the right answer and we have to file a lawsuit, we will not charge you anything out of pocket. We will sue the credit bureaus and each of the furnishers that gave us the wrong answer on your credit report and make them all pay you damages, and they make them all contribute towards our attorney fees and costs. And this way nothing comes out of your pocket. If you have issues on your credit report and you're not sure if the errors or mistakes, call us. We're happy to look at them for free. I'm attorney Gary Netskin, and I'm looking forward to working with you. Thank you.